Hi everyone. Unleash the shadows, Harley-Davidson Night Rod custom by DD Designs, Ambush. In this exclusive showcase, witness DD Designs' latest creation, the Ambush. This night rod, entirely transformed by DD Designs, boasts a murdered-out appearance with a new matte black body kit, a custom quad exhaust, and an air ride suspension operated via remote control. With a commanding 280mm wide rear tire, custom foot pegs, drag bar, and a host of other customizations, the Ambush stands as DD Design's most recent build, radiating sophistication and power. The Harley-Davidson Night Rod, renowned for its blacked-out, no-nonsense styling, finds new life in this rendition. Enhanced ergonomics, reduced reach to rider foot pegs and handlebar, and a lighter weight wheel configuration define this sinister edition. And at its core lies the muscle of Harley-Davidson's Revolution 1250cc engine, a liquid-cooled V-twin equipped with dual overhead camshafts, 4-valve cylinder heads, and electronic sequential port fuel injection. From its assist and slip clutch to the 5-speed transmission and carbon fiber belt drive, this powerhouse channels all its vigor through a commanding tire. When it's time to halt, the Night Rod relies on the high-tech Brembo braking system, featuring triple discs and an optional anti-locking braking system for precise control. Join us on this journey into the heart of darkness and innovation as we unravel the allure of the Harley-Davidson Night Rod custom by DD Designs. Thanks for watching.